Okay, is it audible now? Now is it audible? So first step I said it is step-by-step process of testing the application. Next, once we get the requirement from the customer, once we get the requirement from the customer, once we get the requirement from the customer, the leads and managers, once we get the requirement from the customer, the leads and the manager, the leads and the manager does one round of system study. The leads and the managers does one round of system study to understand the complexity of the application. Does one round of system study to understand the complexity of the application. To understand the complexity of the application. Then next point. Based on their understanding, based on their understanding, next third point, based on their understanding, they prepare means who will prepare? Tell me. Already explanation is done. So when I say based on their understanding, they prepare. They means who? Correct. The test lead or the managers. Perfect guess. Right. So based on their understanding, they prepare a document. They prepare a document known as test plan. They prepare a document known as test plan. They prepare a document known as a test plan that consists of all the testing activities, that consist of all the testing activities, that consist of all the testing activities which needs to be followed by every test engineer. That consists of all the testing activities which needs to be followed by all the test engineers, which needs to be followed by all the test engineers. Then which needs to be followed by all the test engineers. Then next point. Based on the test documents, based on the test documents, the testing team start preparing the test document. So based on the test plan, the testing team, based on the test plan, the testing team start preparing based on the test plan. The testing team start preparing the necessary test documents. Start preparing the necessary test documents. Next point. Start preparing the necessary test documents. Next, to write the test document, to write the test documents, to write the test documents, first we understand the requirement. To write the test documents, first we understand the requirement, then first we understand the requirement, then write the test scenarios, understand the requirement, then write the test scenarios, followed by the test cases. Write the test scenarios followed by the test cases. Followed by the test cases. Done. So first we write the test scenarios followed by the test cases. Done. Next point. Next point. All the cases which are written, all the cases that are written, all the cases that are written are completely reviewed and approved. All the cases that are written are completely reviewed and approved. Are completely reviewed and approved. And then stored in, are completely reviewed and approved, and then stored in one common place, and stored in one common place, and stored in one common place known as, stored in one common place known as test case repository. Stored in one common place known as test case repository. Known as test case repository. Next point. Next point. Only those cases which are written, reviewed and approved. Only those cases which are written, reviewed and approved are used for test execution process. Only those cases which are written, reviewed and approved are used for test execution process. Are used for test execution process. Dana. Next point. Next point. Before we start testing, we prepare. Before we start testing, we prepare an RTM document. We prepare an RTM document. To make sure that we have written test cases for every requirement. To make sure that we have written the test cases for every requirement. To make sure that we have written test cases for every requirement. Next. By the time we complete all documentation, by the time we complete all the documentation, the build will be ready. We complete all the documentation, the build will be ready, and we start. The build will be ready, and we start the test execution process. Hey, I'm doing class. See here, what to give? See here. Build will be ready. No, go. I can't give mobile. Class is going on, Kimo. Guys, 1 minute, guys. No, baby. Go. Guys, what is the last point you have written? Last point. We start, okay. That means build will be ready and we start the test execution process. Perfect, guys. Next point. We start the test execution process. Next point. During the execution process, we find many bugs. Which needs to undergo a bug life cycle process. We find many bugs which needs to undergo bug life cycle process. Are you understanding the meaning of bug life process? You'll find many bugs and we need to undergo the bug life cycle process. Are you understanding the meaning of that? Yes, so whole defect life cycle I'm talking about, that's all. Okay, we need to undergo one round of bug life cycle process, and it goes on until all the bugs are fixed and the application is stable. And it goes on until all the bugs are fixed and the application is stable. It goes on until all the bugs are fixed and the application is stable. All the bugs are fixed and the application is stable. Dana. Next point. Once the application is stable, we prepare a test execution report. Once the application is stable, we prepare a test execution report. That talks about, the stability of the application. That talks about the stability of the application, and then the product is delivered to the customer. Next point. In the last, we conduct a retrospect meeting. Where we discuss about all the good and bad, or the pros and cons, where we discuss about all the good or bad, or the pros and cons, of the current process, and and any changes that needs to be done for the upcoming process, and any changes that needs to be followed for the upcoming process. Next, changes that needs to be done for the upcoming process. Next point. This testing process is generally followed for each and every product which is developed. This testing process is followed for each and every product which is developed. Dana. Done? Okay. Good guys. So that's all. This is the story of software test life cycle. Okay. Now carefully listen, please. Carefully listen. Now only two more topics are left out for some people at least: test plan and how to write a test cases. Wait. Let me open that content only. It's better. I'll show you the screen also now. Some fellows are screen. Without screen, they will not. First point, second point, I don't know, boss. Not possible only. No, you are wrong. Don't tell me that voice was not audible. Please don't tell me that. After I told the first point, it was not audible. And guys, see, I don't remember what is first point, second point, third point. I'm not referring to any notes and answering here. All of you, please understand that point. Please take it from your friend. Agile also I'll teach, Dilip. Perfect. Agile also I'll teach. Okay, now the screen is visible for everyone. Screen is visible. Yes. Now observe, guys. SDLC and all the models, white box testing, functional integration system, UAT. This is done for everyone. Yes or no? SDLC, your white models, white box, black box, gray box, and functional testing, integration testing, system testing, and user acceptance testing. Till here, this is done. Even if everyone is saying no, one person is saying no, it's a different story. But 200% is done. A tragic biscuit is done. Okay, good. Done. Everyone is saying yes, sir. Done. Next. Alida. Smoke testing, regression testing, exploratory, ad hoc, and alphabet is also done. But smoke, don't see non-functional testing. I'm talking about smoke testing, regression testing, and exploratory testing, ad hoc testing, and alphabet testing is also done. Correct? Everyone is agreeing. Good. That is also done. Next, all these managerial questions are done. And bug life cycle. All managerial questions as well as bug life cycle is also done. Yes, sir. Good. And now I have finished this STLC also. I have finished. Agile Uma has taken. I will also take. Agile already Uma has taken, but I will also take. If anyone wants to attend, you tell me. I will let you know. Otherwise, if Uma has already explained you, it's okay. That itself is enough. Or if you want, you can attend also. I don't have any issues. Okay, forget. That's the reason I have not made it green, guys. Wait. Next, layers of application, types of application. See here, this layers, this types, environments, and all these tested documents except test cases. So I'll inform you guys. Don't worry. I'll inform Agile. I'll inform you. That's okay. I'll inform you. Just accept test cases. Everything is done for you people. Yes or no? RTM, test execution report, and your test case review process. All those things is done, guys. This also let me make green because this is also done. Yes, everyone is agreeing this. So now test case is left. Test plan notes you have already written. I have to only give the explanation. Am I right? Test plan is only explanation. Notes is already done. Okay, good. Now, guys, some people, some 200 people, non-functional testing is not done. Am I right? This usability, compatibility, and performance, this is not done for some people. Not done, not done. I know. Some people it is done. Usability, again, half is left out. Uma took. But some people, compatibility, usability, performance is not done. So that means whatever me test execution report notes, test execution definition I have not given. Test execution report definition have I given? No. Okay, I'll give you now. I'll give you. That's a good. Good, you reminded me. I'll give you. But whatever you are seeing on the screen, whatever I'm telling you, it's. Have you understood? Have you understood whatever is there on the screen and whatever I'm telling you? Understood? Okay. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Test case notes done, sir, but test plan was not done, sir. Principle of software. Boss, okay, that I will talk later. Leave it. Okay, so this we both are in the same loop, guys. So hardly that's the reason I said 4 or 5 more classes are required for everyone. Some people within 2 days, or 3 days maximum class will be completed. Remaining people some 6 days. Only thing is this usability, compatibility, performance one day I have to take. So at least 6-7 days will finish everything. Okay. First you write the definition of test execution report. Go back to that test execution report, guys. Go back to test execution report once. Go back, everyone, go back to test execution report. That is under test plan. Entry criteria, exit criteria. Obviously, interviewer will ask you didn't study and go. That's all. That is under test plan. I will teach you. Leave it. Right, guys. Test execution report. Test execution report. It is a document. It is a document or a summary report. It is a document or the summary report. One minute, guys. 1 minute. Excuse me. 1 minute. Okay, guys, I said it is a document or the summary report based on which we decide the stability of the product, based on which we decide the stability of the product, based on which we decide the stability of the product. Based on which we decide the stability of the product. Then first point is done. First point is done. Second point. It consists of information like the number of test cases written, executed, the number of test cases written, executed, pass, fail, the number of test cases written, executed, pass, fail, and their percentages. The number of test cases written, executed, pass, fail, and their percentages. Next point. Overall, the application stability is decided based on the test execution report only. Based on the test execution report only. Based on the test execution report only. Dana. I'll tell you, Rakshita, when I'll take test case design techniques, I'll put a message also. Please don't worry, because I'm doing one more batch 11:30. So whatever topics Uma has taken, I'm going to put the message over there. If you're interested, you can come. No problem. Okay, now listen, guys. Sure, I'll inform you. Okay, guys. Now please listen carefully. Listen. Some people, compatibility performance is completely over, but usability, I think only the definition part Uma has told. Listen carefully, listen. That's the reason. Don't get confused. This only 20% was done. Only 20%. Only 20% done. The definition Uma gave you. Some people not started only. You don't respond. Understand English first. Usability is not started only for some people. Some people, compatibility is completed, performance is completed, usability 20%, some definition Uma has given. Yes, sir, no. Bhargav says yes. Next. Akash, yes. Sunil, yes. Pallavi, yes. Yes, perfect, perfect. So, now listen carefully. This remaining portion I am going to teach now. Means usability testing, whatever the left out portion was there, only definition was done. We have a process, cases, all those things are there. That I will do right now. So those people, usability, compatibility, and performance not started only. You guys don't stay. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, I'll continue test case topic. So tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll finish these two topics, test cases and test plan I'll do. Today, since only some 45 minutes is left out, I want to do this usability testing, whatever portion was left out. Is my announcement clear? Is my announcement clear for everyone? Yes. So people, usability testing not started only. Compatibility not started only. Performance not started only. All you people, please log out. I think some 200 people are there. So those people, please log out. Okay. So those who have understood neatly, tomorrow 8 o'clock, everyone should log in for test cases topic. Tomorrow topic is test case. Remember. So everyone should be there. Now I want only those 100 people or 150 people. Only half was done. I want to finish off that. Okay. Then guys, other people please leave. No, leave fast. Tomorrow 8 o'clock you log in. Bye.